So I went ahead and I ordered me the Subculture Anastasia palette, and I saw a lot of reviews. I saw so many people hate this palette, and the funny thing is, I just used mine and did an eye look. Well, mine, I have a very good palette because my eye look came out perfect. It did not look nothing like Jeffree Star's. There's a lot of people that got good palettes for say, if that's what they want to say. But what it is, this is a pure pigment and it's soft press. All you have to do is just really lightly dab the brush in the eye color, and I had no problems blending. I had no problems with this palette at all. I would agree that it's not a beginner's palette, but it is definitely something that I was wondering what would happen. I had to buy it because curiosity kills the cat, and this palette, I love it. And if you got a bad palette, send it back because they'll return it. It's $42. And I love it. I was like, oh, I bought all the MAC palettes, all 6 of them. And they're so pretty. They still have them at Nordstrom's. You might want to check your Nordstrom's. I bought all of the MAC palettes. All 6 of them that I'm going to show on my YouTube soon. But I just wanted to say that I got a good palette. I don't know if these numbers, people got P3, I got P7F27. If that was, the first ones were P3, I think, but this is a really nice palette and I really love it. Anastasia really has good stuff.